So I'm ready to put those two roof pieces on. This is a long and a short one. And they're not just standing there. I have them secured here with a little strap so that they don't fall on my head. I have a ladder available here. That thing is also strapped there. We do have a little wind right now here, you can see. That's a little bit annoying. I'm going to stand there on that table. The table is crooked. But I'm going to stand on there so that I can be in the middle there, holding it up. The brackets here, they will rest on the beam up here. There. And that's how that goes. Then once it's up there, there's those holes here. There and there. And they are fixed with bolts into those holes. And that's where everything goes together. There. There and there. 3 of them. That's what holds the whole thing together. And in the middle there will be this 2x4 holding everything up. It's going to be fantastic. The camera has been running for a while now. Touch the screen here so I can see. So I have to hold this up. I held this up. There I fixed it with this strap so it cannot fly away. I moved the whole roof over to the right more so that I have space there in the corner. And then this will be the next thing to come up. You know, this is not going to be a big thing. And then once that is up, I'm going to put the bolts on the sides. Now we get more wind here all of a sudden. That's crazy. Okay, so that piece is next. So I do have it secured with those two here. But my problem now is, so I put the bolts in, like the bolts, right? So there's one bolt. There's the second. Now I have to do the third bolt, but I can't reach. If I stand on the table, then I'm missing a few inches. I could put the ladder on the table like in a circus and then go up there. But I'm not so sure that's a great idea because I cannot lose any of those bolts here. Like my support, I cannot lose it. Even though I don't know. Oh no, it holds it. Look at that. No big deal. It's not necessary. So that means I can put that on there. Yeah, I need this thing a little bit to push up. Maybe to get the thing on there. It's not tall enough. No. So we are here now on the roof, on the top. This is called large cap. So this has to be lifted up and then there is some part sliding in underneath this. And once those are installed, then you can tighten those plastic screws here. And those metal pieces have to be screwed to the rafters here. Right? That's how this is going to go. So far we are in here. Just one piece missing. That's how far we got. So far, so good.